Hello, for today we'll discuss about trigonometry. Prove sine 3 theta is equal to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. So first, we'll write the problem. So sine 3 theta is equal to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay? So this sine 3 theta can be expressed also in like the sine theta plus 2 theta. Okay, so 3 theta is equal to theta plus 2 theta. So equals sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay. So sine theta plus 2 theta will be equivalent to sine theta cosine 2 theta plus sine 2 theta cosine theta. So this is another identities. So you have to memorize this. Okay. So equals sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay. So here we already have two identities made. From here we got this, and from this we expand to this identity. Okay. So again, using double angle formula, so we will come up with sine theta. This cosine theta is equivalent to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So we use here the double angle formula. Okay, and again here sine 2 theta will become plus 2 sine theta cosine theta times cosine theta. Okay, so sine 2 theta is equivalent to 2 sine theta cosine theta, so another identities. Okay, so that will be equal to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, so from here we expand. Okay, we expand this, so that will become sine theta cosine squared theta. Okay, this times this. Okay, and then this times this, so that will become minus sine cube theta. So sine theta times sine squared theta is equivalent to sine cube theta. Okay, so again here expand, so 2 sine theta cosine theta times cosine theta, that will become cosine squared theta. So is equal to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, so again here we cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta, so another identity is made. Okay, so cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta, so minus sine cube theta. Okay, plus, so another identities will be derived here, so 2 sine theta, so cosine squared theta is equivalent to 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, is equal to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay, so now we multiply here, so sine theta times 1, that is sine theta, here sine squared theta minus sine theta will become sine cube theta. Okay, minus sine cube theta, okay, plus 2 sine theta times 1, so that is plus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. So that will become equals to sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay? So from here, you just simplify. So sine theta minus plus 2, plus 2 sine theta. So that will become 3 sine theta. Okay? And then sine cube minus sine cube theta minus sine, you combine all the sine cube, so that will become minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. That will become minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, so equals sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay? So here you get the common factor, so that will become sine theta. Okay? So sine theta, so 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. Okay? Just move up this common factor, okay? Equals sine theta 3 minus 4 sine squared theta. So therefore, they are identical, okay? They are identical, okay? So you just memorize the trigonometric identity. So from here, just to recap, 3 theta became sine theta plus 2 theta, okay? And then this one, the sine theta cosine 2 theta plus sine 2 theta cosine theta. We just expand this one from the addition identities, okay? So this one will be the result. So another identity, so identity 1, identity 2, okay? And here, again, sine theta cosine 2 theta is equivalent to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. So identity number 3, this one, okay? So again here, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. So another identity, cosine theta, so equals, okay? So here, cosine theta, you just expand. So sine theta, you expand, you multiply here, sine theta times cosine theta, that will become sine theta cosine square theta, and then sine theta times sine square theta, that is minus sine cube theta, plus 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta, then cosine square theta. This one, cosine theta times cosine theta is equal to cosine square theta. Okay, so again here, sine theta, and this one, another identity, cosine square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, okay, minus sine cube theta, plus 2 sine theta, cosine square theta also identity with 1 minus sine square theta, equals sine theta 3 minus 4 sine square theta, okay? So sine theta times 1, that is sine theta times sine square theta, that is minus sine cube theta, okay? Then minus sine cube theta, plus 2 sine theta, minus 2 sine cube theta, and the rest you just add, okay?